Hello, hello, guys! Welcome to Healing and Mastery. Again, this is not a feel good podcast, this is a truth telling space. A space for the ones who are silenced, mislabeled, and broken open early in life. Okay? So if you're here, chances are you were never the problem. You were just the one who saw too much, felt too deeply, and refused to lie to yourself. So, guys, let's talk. Okay. Guys, the thing about our society is that it has always promoted silence. And not the peaceful kind, but the kind that suffocates you. The kind that teaches you very early on that no matter what is happening to you behind closed doors, you are expected to shut up, smile, and protect the image. Especially when the abuse comes from your own bloodline. Because for generations, people stayed silent even while being abused, neglected, humiliated, or destroyed emotionally. And they stayed silent because they were told, oh, this is your family, or worse, these are your parents, as if as if that automatically makes abuse acceptable or sacred, right? I mean, those of us who grew up in deeply dysfunctional, toxic bloodlines saw everything from a very young age. We saw the pretending, the denial, the fake smiles in public, the way everyone collectively agreed to stay quiet just to protect the illusion of a normal family. And our own parents program us to be like this too, you know, to stay silent, to minimize, to normalize, to gaslight ourselves because if the truth ever came out, the entire structure would collapse. Especially with narcissistic abusive parents who are so obsessed with their image, with being seen as loving, respectable, holy, selfless people when behind closed doors they were anything but that, you know? I mean, let's be honest, guys. Narcissistic parents don't raise children. They raise shields. They raise silence. They raise loyalty to lies. Because they've spent decades carefully constructing a fake identity for the outside world. And from the very beginning, they condition you to believe that telling the truth is disrespectful, that speaking up is betrayal, that exposing abuse is shameful, when in reality, they're just terrified that their true colors will finally be seen. So they teach you that your pain must stay hidden, and that your voice is dangerous, that your truth is unacceptable. Guys, listen. This is why billions of people on this planet are miserable, depressed, anxious, disconnected because they are carrying stories they're never allowed to tell. You know? Because they are protecting people who hurt them. Because they are living with unspoken hells and convincing themselves that silence equals strength. You know? When really it's just survival. And some of you listening right now know exactly what I'm talking about. Because you've replayed what happened to you over and over in your head. You've wanted to speak, you've wanted to scream, but you swallowed it every time out of fear that no one would believe you, right? That your relatives would turn against you, and that you'd be labeled dramatic, ungrateful, crazy, etc. Labels they love to use to keep you quiet. You know, but guys, I need you to understand something very clearly, okay? And I'm saying this with my whole fucking chest. The era of staying silent about abuse is over. It's fucking over, okay? Because this is not about revenge and this is not about destroying anyone at all. This is about choosing yourself for the first time in your entire life. Okay? This is about freeing the inner child who had no voice, the teenage self who learned to self-destruct instead of speak, and the adult self who is exhausted from carrying pain that was never theirs to carry. You know? Guys, revealing the truth is not disrespectful. Okay? That's just what they conditioned you to believe so you would stay quiet forever and their and their ugly behavior would never be exposed. You know? Revealing is healing. Because when you finally speak, You are liberating your soul from decades of being caged, from decades of silence, from decades of protecting people who never protected you. And if that makes them uncomfortable, then good. Because your healing was never meant to be comfortable for those who benefited from your silence. Okay? So, guys, let this sink in. This is the era of healing. This is the era of truth. And this is the era where we stop sacrificing ourselves just to keep dysfunctional bloodlines intact. Okay? Because you've suffered enough. And choosing to speak is choosing life. Okay? And if telling the truth makes you the villain in their story, then so be it. You were never meant to be loyal to a lie, guys, okay? You were never meant to carry generational rot in your body. Some bloodlines end not with forgiveness, but with awareness, okay? And if you're listening to this and your chest feels heavy, then that's a sign, guys. Choose yourself, okay? So, yeah, that's it for today. And keep choosing yourself, okay? Keep revealing your truth and keep exposing them, okay? That's it. This is, again, this is Healing and Mastery, where silence dies and the truth breathes again, okay? So, guys, happy weekend and I love you all. Keep exposing. Mwah.